I'm Ella Meyer, and I'm president and co-founder of Robot in 3 Days at Iowa State University. I think that the game for this year is going to be a shooter game. There's going to be a climber aspect, and in terms of the archaeology, comparing it to the First Age overall theme, I think that it's going to have something to do with the exploration of archaeology. So something like a minecart on a field collecting different artifacts or something along those lines.
What's my prompt? What am I talking about?
I'll go.
Hi, my name is Juan Park, and I'm the vice president, and it's gonna be a water game. We're gonna be unearthing Atlantis, because it's first unearthed.
Yeah. You should say that.
Yeah.
Hi guys, I'm Andrew Schaefer. I'm a junior. I am a design lead for our activity at Iowa State. I think it's gonna be a water game this year.
Okay, my name is Mila. I'm a sophomore. I'm our electrical lead, and I'm also one of the assembly leads. I think the game is going to be a shooting game with some kind of climb, like a hang, and inflatable game pieces.
Go.
Alright, I'm Austin Knudsen. I am the manufacturing lead for Iowa State's Robot in 3 Days, and my prediction for the game is a pick up and build a dinosaur. I don't know what that entails, but I want to build a dinosaur.
Go.
Hi, I'm Lyra Haskell. I'm the assembly lead, and my prediction is that we're going to get a high volume, small ball shooting game with a rope climb. So, Steamworks again.
Hi, I'm Joseph. I'm the treasurer and business lead. I think the game is going to be an archaeology game where we dig up relics.
Okay.
Hi, my name's Noura. I'm the social media lead, and I think for this year's game we're going to have like an excavation. Like there's going to be like dirt blocks on the field, and we'll have to remove all of it to reveal a fossil or a water game.